Hello guys, how are you? Buffy here. This beautiful banquet hall perfectly shows how flexible space design can transform a venue. With EBUNGE Movable Partition walls, one large ballroom can insistently be divided into multi-private function rooms in 1 minute, ideal for weddings, conferences, and corporate events happening at the same time. Our movable partition walls glide smoothly on overhead checks, require no floor layers, and deliver excellent sound insulation to ensure privacy and comfort. Blending elegant design with strong functionality, EBUNGE helps hotels and event centers create premium spaces, improve efficiency, and unlock greater value from every square meter. If you have any movable partition wall projects, welcome to contact the EBUNGE team to get more solutions.